currently running it on my desktop, but it'll run on iPads and iPhones and Android devices. There's actually a little bit more functionality to the application when you're using it on those devices versus a computer. Let me show you an example here. We are going to be moving the boat soon, and what I've created are several segments of the trip. The first one would be from Indiantown to Fort Pierce, and it'll take just a second here to load up. And what it's doing now is it's actually plotting the course, and there's a lot of twists and turns through here, especially when you get to the Stewart area. As you can see here, here's the course that we will follow, and this takes us through Stewart and eventually into the Intracoastal Waterway. This first leg is about 6 hours 25 minutes long, 44 nautical miles. I've decided to hire a captain to go with me on this route and run me through some drills just to make sure that I'm on top of everything. And when we get to Fort Pierce, which is where the captain lives, he will leave the vessel, and I will stay at a dock overnight. And the next day, Sarah will join me, and we will take the second leg of the trip. I'm entering it right now. It'll be from Fort Pierce to Coconut Point. And this is a 5 hour and 42-minute trip and about 69 nautical miles, starting at Fort Pierce and going up. We'll pass Vero Beach, Sebastian, and right here in the center, let me zoom in. Is where we will anchor for the night. We'll find one of these little spoils island that will block any winds, and we'll duck in behind that, and we'll set anchor, and that'll be a new experience for us. And the next day, we will be leaving Coconut Point. Let me select the routes. And going to Cocoa Village Marina. And that is a very short segment. It is about 23 nautical miles, a little over 3 hours. And the neat thing about this app is it will show you, let's say we were to go and look at a little leg up near Saco, Maine. This application not only will show you where the buoys are, the depths. As you can see, there is a learning curve. As you can see, there is a learning curve to this program, and I'm just now starting to get into it. But I want to show another feature of this. As you select your route, on the side here, it'll show you marinas that are in that area and bars and restaurants. And you can click on them and get more information, get their web page, phone number. You can even add it as a waypoint. And let me cancel this and zoom back out. It'll give you information on bridges and your channel markers. Let me zoom out. Learning curve to this application, and I try to spend a little bit of time each day on it. There's several other applications that are available out there. However, this one here will actually work with a new Raymarine Axiom chart plotter we purchased for the boat. And we look forward to getting some new equipment installed over the next week, and some maintenance work done on the boat, and cruising driftaway up the Intracoastal Waterway. What do you think?
I think it looks fine.